Hello everyone, it's West Virginia Outsider here. I just want to give you some update on the trucks I was doing upgrades to. Um, I did some modifications to the scalpel body. Um, got some new tires, and I got some other new parts I went ahead and put on it. Um, and I was just going to run through it with you and show you a truck. Alright, these are the new tires I just got yesterday. I have not ran the truck yet since I added all this stuff. And these are the 2.8s door tracks. I'm not sure what the C2 is. I'm not sure what that stands for. But this thing's got some major foam in them as compared to those wheels back here on the other truck. And I'm going to show you what I did to the other truck too here in a minute. Yeah, but there's the tires. And the modifications to the body. I cut out the fenders some more. I cut off maybe an inch of the front. You know, I'm going to run this off-road too, and it was just too low. And the other new parts I added a front bumper. That's brand new RPM bumper. I did have to cut that out. And the back, the back is still the same. And the only thing I did, I just cut the sidewalls down in there too. But I noticed I mean, they still hit a little bit, but and the truck's gonna fall off. Now why you getting me fits? I get one going, it pops off. But anyway, I should have left it off. But I think that front bumper really set it off even more. Like I said, I trimmed these up. I trimmed the back up a little bit. I cut the sides down or up, or trimmed them up a little bit. The front, I didn't have to do anything else to it. It has plenty to travel. But I'll go ahead and show you there's the other new parts I did for this, for the body, the side. And see, that's a different motor. This is the one I had in the Stampede originally, the chassis. But as you see, I got the new chassis in this truck. So I don't know how fast this truck is with this motor. I did run it. I never put the GPS meter on it yet. This in here does have the 13 tooth pinion and the 54 spur, stock gear for the spur. And I think I found out why it's all squirrely. I had the the shocks adjusted all the way up to here, so I extended them out, and I did it to that truck, and it took it out, and so I went ahead and did it to this one too, and let's see. The battery hold down thing, that's the old one. I just painted it. I think that's oh, I got the new front body thing for this one. Trying to think what else. I think that's it for this one, for the new stuff, I think, so far. I did have a new rear bumper guard, but I went ahead and put it on that one. Or wait, yeah, it's on there. The body just covering it up. Yeah, I went ahead and stuck it on that one, the new one. Because that one just had the wheelie bar. It didn't really have any protection for the body, so that's why I had one to put that on there. Uh, I'll swap trucks here. And I see, and I did stiffen the shocks up too while I was doing it. I stiffened them up on both of them. And on this truck today, I took the old tire. These are the old tires. I took them off of the rim, took the foam out, and I washed them, or washed them out, dried them, and put them back in, and re-glued the tires. Yeah, yeah. I got. This is what I have. Yeah. And that stuff, you don't want to get it on your fingers because it will instantly bond them together. Yeah, so you just watch your fingers. And I'm gonna have to. I think I'm gonna get a front bumper for this one too, because there's absolutely no support there for this one. So I might go ahead and order a front bumper for it. It does look meaner and aggressive now, and I have not run this truck since I re-glued the tires and cleaned them and took the foam out and cleaned all that, and I'm working on a new body for it. I just taking time to get around to getting it. And I see this is the chassis that I was running with the scalpel. You can tell by the motor. And I had to get another battery. This is new. the battery hold down, the battery holder, what it goes into, there's a holder, the front post for the battery hold down. All this came in a set. So I'm just waiting to see which one is faster. I may just leave the motor that's in these trucks in there, but it all depends which one I'm going to be driving most. As you see, the shocks is the same setup as in that one, and see, it's kind of hard with them shock guards on there. Them things are a pain. They're same setup. There's the new bump, the rear bumper for it. And these tires still got some wear in them. And them tires there, I did seal the holes up so it won't get water in them. I don't know if it's supposed to do that or not, but I did it. I don't want water in them. I just got a piece of Scotch tape over the holes. Yeah, that's pretty much nut in the shell. Just waiting to get a warmer day to run them. And I'm curious how they're going to react with the mods I have done, swapping around and and if you notice in my last video when I was running in the snow, this thing was flip-flopping around. I won't have to take that off. And just zip ties I forgot to take off. Oh, never mind, it came off. I was sitting here looking at the truck, and I thought of how cool it would be is to cut this part of this fender off. I don't know how weak it would make it. It'll just be this front part. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, it's an old body. It's already cracked, beat up. It's seen its better days. It took some hard crashes with me. If you guys seen my videos, and I did have the Gen 7 up today testing the plow. I'm going to have to add some kind of shock, something to hold it down. I never thought about when you go up incline, the plow goes up incline too. It don't stay to the ground. So I thought about messing with it, but I don't know if I want to tonight or not. I did add these little markers to them. on both sides. Bungee cord's in the way. Yeah, there's one on that side too. I think that was pretty cool. Yeah. So I just wanted to share this little short video with you guys and see what you all think. I like to get them both out running at the same time, side by side. See which one is faster. A little race. Let's see. My little heater, I got my propane stove on too, because it was only like 30-some degrees in the building. I don't know if this will fit side by side or not. It may not. Yeah, there's the comparisons. It should have about the same ride height. I noticed the new tires are a little bit taller. That's caused part of the sponge inside the tires. It could just be me, but to me they look probably about an 1/8 inch taller. But so, all right. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have a comment, be sure to leave it. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. And hopefully one of these days I'll have a buddy with me. We get to take these out. So, alright, later.